Hello everyone, mega lang shoutout sa inyo lahat. Welcome sa ating Unplugged Special Edition sa araw nito. Sunday Special Edition by Helen in Germany, the Singing Bird version. Okay, so sana mag-enjoy kayo at huwag po kalimutan i-share ang ating Unplugged para mag-enjoy naman tayo at may manonood sa atin. And of course, huwag kalimutan i-subscribe yung hindi pa nakasubscribe. Okay? Thank you so much. Enjoy! Okay. It was hard to resist. I never gave up every one of my dreams. Deep inside, it's my love still alive, and God only knows I can't let you go. When I'm alone, it will be forever. I gave you my heart forever. Thank you so much sa inyo. Another song. Para mag-enjoy kayo. Okay, just tell me you love me. Many times I wish you were here. True love and jealous of my dreams. Many times I wish you were here. Through the darkness, I'm again, but it seems that you broken-hearted daw. Relax naman. Wag po. Enjoy lang po. Relax. Don't be serious. Okay. Enjoy lang po. Thank you so much sa mga bagong pasok dyan. Enjoy. At sa from the start na nag-stay dyan, maraming salamat sa inyo.
This time will never end. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better.
If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. Oh, diba? This time will never end. Okay, enjoy! Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Enjoy lang po. Huwag kalimutan i-subscribe ang inyong host, Helen in Germany, the singing bird. Okay. Looking through the eyes of love. Please, don't let this feeling hurt. It's everything I have, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes on, shining out, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And I do believe I'll never need a strong light sometimes. Knowing you're beside me, don't let this feeling hurt. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that never need a stronger fight sometimes. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it goes on, shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through sa mga bagong pasok dyan, sana i-subscribe ninyo ang inyong host, Helen in Germany. Ayan. The singing bird version po. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything two of us can. Vwrsion. We had the right love and the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. You had to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. That I'll never be sure letting go. It's just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe it only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Natakot sa telebisyon, yung kanta mo palagi ito kanino. Somewhere down the road. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo dyan, mga bagong pasok dyan. Thank you. Welcome sa ating unplugged for today's for Sunday vacation. When he looks at me, I know the boy sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside, and all the craziness I hide. He looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And he doesn't judge the man, he just takes me as I am. Come what may, he believes, and the fate is something I'll never know before. Come what may, he loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, he knows those are the times there's nothing he can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so he lets believe it's true. And when I'm in my darkness hours and uncertainty, he just simply lets me be and goes right on loving me. Come what may, he believes, and that fate is something I'll never know before. Come what may, he loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. Oh, 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 oh. And when it seems my dreams have all slipped through, Enjoy lang po kayo dyan. Even the nights are better. By Helen in Germany, the second word. I was the lonely one, wondering what went wrong. Why love had done and left me lonely. I was so confused, feeling 'cause you had been lonely too, and you showed me how to ace the pain, and you did more than make a broken heart, 'cause now you made me different now, and I can see that you feel the same way. I never dreamed that it's someone to hold me until you told me. Now that I found you, even the nights are better. Now that you keep together, even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Even the days are brighter with someone who loves beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you. Oh, hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much. Enjoy, I never dreamed that it's someone to hold me until you told me. Now that I found you, even the nights are better. Now that we keep together, even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Even the days are brighter with someone you love beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Even the days are better. Now that you're here again. Even the nights are better since I found you. Love you all guys. Thank you so much. Ayan, another song. Please don't ask me. O, di ba? Huwag na po kayo magtanong. Joke. Please don't ask me what I am thinking. It's about you. Please don't ask me. I never can see you, but when I do, my first impulse is to run to your side. My heart's not free, and so I must hide. Please don't ask me what I'm gonna say to you. I toss and turn, can't sleep at night. It's worrying me. I go to bed, turn on the light, but your face I see. diba? Thank you so much, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating collection songs para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much sa inyong suporta. It's good to know it is easier seeing someone tell me why. Masakit ito kata na to. Though I cry, I can find the words to say goodbye. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat dyan. So tell me that I am sorry. And I hope you understand. You will have to do with someone else. That hurt him while alive. So I cried, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat dyan. Sino yung gusto may request? Hindi po niyong comment sa ating chat box. Dyan. Tapos try ko katahin yung coming Sunday para sa inyo. Thank you so much sa mga bagong pasok. If I told him to see you later, then I might be wrong. 'Cause this voice inside is drowning the fire I must leave you now, but every time I cry, don't know why, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Don't know why, I can't find the words to say goodbye. Napakasakit. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat. I can't find the word to say goodbye. Napakasakit. Okay, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Enjoy. Mahal in this crazy. You're everything I tried to find. Your love is a bird. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize Luis Mis guapo is. The past keeps me sure that you will always make it more beautiful in my eyes. Past keeps me sure that you will always grow even more beautiful in my Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpasok na. My life is brilliant. My love is good. I saw an angel down the shore. Smiled me at something midnight. I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. I'm so your face in a crowded place. Don't know how to do. 'Cause I've never been you. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. I was flying high. I don't think that I'll see you again. That you share. Thank you so much. Beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. There must be an angel with a smile on her face, which is all I want to try with you. But it's time to face the truth. I will never be with you. Ayan. You're beautiful. I'll never love this way again. By Helen is your maybe the singing bird version. Enjoy lang po tayo dyan. Maraming salamat sa mga bagong pasok. And of course, sa mga nagstay since kanina pa. Look inside my fantasies and made it one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I keep the memories one by one since you've been here, and I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again. enjoy. Thank you so much. Full goes tomorrow, reaching back for yesterday. I won't turn my head. Sorry if you should go away. Stand here, you remember just how good it's been. And I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on before the good is done. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on, I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on before the good is done. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on, hold on. Okay, another song by Bread. If hope nagustuhan nyo, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show that you are not now. If I face humans and thousands ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you came and poured yourself on me. If a band could beat the praises at one time, I'll be with you. Tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. And the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down tonight. I'd spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one, the stars would all go out. Then you and I would simply Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Enjoy! Huwag kalimutan baka may mga favorite song kayo. Please write in the para natin, kantahin natin next time. Okay? Thank you so much sa inyo. Para kantahin natin next time na ating coming unplug next Sunday. Baka may gusto kayong kakantahin ko doon sa upcoming natin. So, ano, again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much sa lahat na suporta nyo sa aking channel and of course, for loving my channel. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Until sa susunod nating mga covers. Thank you so much. Love you all, guys. See you next time. Hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating mga kanta. Ayan. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Love you. Mwah. Happy Sunday, everyone. Thank you.